Hi everyone, so I'm back again with another okra recipe, and this time we're doing a shampoo and I'm excited to show you the result. So I want to say welcome to Discovering Natural, and you are ready to start, are you? Okay, so okra has a ton of benefits, and benefits like helping with dandruff. You can use it to cleanse your hair, to style your hair, and so much more. And the first thing I do is always to wash the okra. Of course, you can use frozen okra for this, and you can also use okra powder for this, but today we are using fresh okra. So what I'm going to do is I'm first going to cut off the tail and the bottom of the okra. Then I'll proceed to chopping it up. Now chopping it, I'm not that best with chopping it up, but know that when you chop it, the smaller you chop it, the thicker the gel will be. So I'm just going to use my vegetable slicer, and you can find this on my Amazon shop. So I just use this, and this does a great job. I'm making it really small because I want the gel to be very nice and soft and nice and thick. Okay, so another way that you can do is you can also take the okra and you can, so that's the result from that. So if you want to slice it, you can grab 2 at a time, 3 at a time, and just slice it this way. And so the smaller you slice it, the thicker, okay, your gel will be. Just know that. So we have sliced everything, and did you know that you can even use okra to deep condition your hair? So what I'm doing is I'm taking 1 cup of water, and I'm going to boil the 1 cup of water, and then I'm adding in my okra. You don't have to boil beforehand. So right here, I'm not boiling the water beforehand. You really don't have to. I'm just adding my okra in there and just stirring it in to submerge the okra in there. I'm going to wait until my okra starts bubbling like this. Don't cover it up, but I just want to show you that if you cover it up, it might smear over. So once you remove it, let it cool down, okay? Let your okra liquid cool down. I have a playlist on my YouTube channel showing how to do so many other okra recipes and other okras, so please feel free to subscribe to it. So this is my okra. You can see how slimy everything is, and I'm trying to pick it up just to show you guys, but it's so slimy, and I'm just testing the consistency, and it is the consistency I want. So the longer that you let it cool down, the consistency will get thicker. You don't have to heat it up. You can also submerge your okra overnight, and even the okra water, you can drink it. It's good for people that are diabetic. It can help you internally. So this is my okra. This is what it looks like. It's very slimy, and I'm going to strain the okra. So my okra liquid has been cooled down, and as I strain it, it's going to give me this slimy, very slimy consistency. Now don't throw away your okra. You can take this okra and you can make a nice soup with it. You can actually even add some shrimps and eat it like this. It's a very healthy vegetable to eat, and it helps your sex life, and it also helps with fertility. So don't waste your okra, okay? Eat everything. So this is it. I've already got the gel. You can see how viscous, is that the name? Okay, you can just see how jelly it is, right? So now it is time, and I'm going to show you the amount of okra. So I'm only using 3 ingredients. Whenever I make my DIY, I keep it very simple. So I have over here jojoba, and this is just 1 teaspoon of jojoba, and then I have a 1/4 cup of castor oil. So I'm going to take my applicator bottle, and as I pour it in, it's going to give me 5 ounces of okra gel. Now this is it. If you're going to use other things with it, you need to make it a shampoo, you need to add castile soap to it. So you see I got 5 ounces of this gel. I'm going to add my jojoba. Jojoba oil is good for your scalp health. It's also good for your hair to bring softness to it, and that is why I add my jojoba. If you have dandruff, you can also add peppermint oil to this. My Castile soap contains peppermint and hemp oil, so that's why I'm using this one, so that I don't have to add so many ingredients. Now, Castile soap is a little bit harsher on the hair, but by using okra, it helps with the moisture level. I'm going to add just enough water to make it about 8.5 ounces, and that is my mixture. Please do not just use the Castile soap on its own. You need to dilute it. I want to say a big shout out to Jenny's Tip channel for the inspiration behind this video. Thanks, Jenny. So I'm just spraying my hair with water, and that's because I do not wash my hair in the shower. I don't like the feeling of soap running down my back, but you can of course do this in the shower. So you see how it glides really well in my hair, and it's giving a nice consistency. Make sure you scrub your scalp, people. You scrub your scalp to help with the dandruff, and as I do put in my hair, I don't rinse it off my hair immediately. So you can use this as a detangler, and I'm going to show you the great detangling power. Look at that. Just look at that. Oh my goodness. This is wonderful. This is a very good detangling shampoo. It's a good dandruff shampoo. It's a good moisturizing shampoo. It's a good clarifying shampoo. It is all homemade. So I'm going to proceed to doing the rest of my hair, just spraying with water, and you can see even a big section I'm able to just detangle it without any issues. You all have to try this. Have you guys subscribed? I don't know if you've subscribed. Anyway, you have to try this. So I'm just gonna continue just washing my scalp and just enjoying how it looks, enjoying the feel. Guys, please give this a try, please. Okay, so this is my hair. You can see how my hair is just clumping and everything is just looking nice. Oh, just wait and see what happens after I've done all this and played in my hair, and after I rinse it. You'll be amazed to see how my hair looks. So I'm reminding you again, please subscribe and thumbs up this video. Okay, so I think I'm done, right? Am I done? Okay, I'm done, and I rinsed my hair. Look at my hair. Child, look at it. It's so amazing. It feels so soft, and I'm going to show you my scalp. This is my problem area. You can see how clean it is. My scalp feels so nice. Look at that shine. Oh my goodness, my scalp, my hair, everything feels amazing. So you all have to give this a try. If you're gonna try it, please let me know and send me a picture on Instagram, on Facebook at DiscoveringNatural. I do want to see your recipe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.